Hello everybody, they will do this split and how to stretch them. I will show you now some exercises which help you to do that. So we will start to do warm-up from right leg. We're starting to circle 1, 2, 3 and change sides. So 1, 2, 3. After the pushing leg, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Try to catch your leg and push in this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Taking this side and take your split out. After that, come back. Take your breathe on. Slowly breathe out, take your feet and slowly starting stretching down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like it, subscribe and take me likes, write me good comments and see you in my next video. So bye bye.